Hello dear students, now we are going to start new chapter straight line. In this chapter we are going to see some basic concept related to slope of line. How we can find out the slope of line that we are going to cover in this video. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Ghola. See, first of all we are going to see the definition of straight line. What is meant by straight line? Straight line is a locus of point such that the slope of every segment joining two distinct points on the locus is same. That geometrical condition is satisfied by that locus of point. That's why we call it as a straight line. Okay. Then slope of line. When angle with x-axis is given, how we can find out the slope? When angle with this x-axis is given, that slope will be tan theta. Okay. Slope of L1 is tan theta 1. Slope of L2 is tan theta 2. Then inclination of x-axis is 0. Then slope of x-axis is 0. Means slope means what? Angle of that line with x-axis. Then inclination of x-axis with x-axis is 0. That's why slope of x-axis is 0. Then inclination of y-axis is with x-axis is 90 degree. That's why slope of y-axis is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. Another important statement is if the lines are parallel, then their slope are equal. If lines are parallel, then angle of that line with x-axis will be same. If angle is same, then we can say that if lines are parallel, then their slope are equal. Another important sentence about straight line is if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope is -1. These are the most important sentence in straight line. If the lines are parallel, then their slope are equal. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slope is, product of their slope is -1. Another method of finding the slope when the coordinates of the 2 points on the locus is given. Slope of line when coordinates of the 2 points on the locus is given. You can work out the gradient means slope of a line if you know 2 points on it. Let's first point will be x1 y1 and the second be x2 y2. The following formula we can use, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 will give the slope of line. Means what is it? The change in the y value divided by change in x value. Here one of the problem. Calculate the gradient means slope of the line which passes through 2, 3 and 5, 7. Means what is given? x1, y1 is given and x2, y2 is given. We can find out the slope by using this formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. By putting the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, we will get the slope as 4 by 3. Then slope of line when general equation of straight line is given. What is general equation of straight line? The general equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is also called as a linear equation. A, B, C are a real constant and not 0. Then how we can find out the slope? Remember, slope we always represent in small m. Okay, slope of line when general equation of straight line is given is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. See, what is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b. Means slope of line when general equation of straight line is given is minus a by b. Thank you.